Consuming just 3 dates a day can initiate irreversible changes within your body. For countless centuries, this fruit has held a special place in the hearts and diets of many Middle Eastern cultures. Watch this video to learn about the key properties of dates and how they can impact our body when consumed daily. We'll discuss the key advantages, recommended intake, and considerations for individuals who may not be able to include them in their diet. By the end of the video, we'll also demonstrate a straightforward homemade recipe featuring dates as a healthier alternative to refined sugar. Many people view dates as a nutritional powerhouse because they are packed with vitamins and minerals. Not only do they contain antioxidants, which shield our cells from harm caused by free radicals, dates have a positive impact on various systems of our body, including the digestive system. They provide a great amount of dietary fiber, which includes both soluble and insoluble fiber. These fibers work to boost stool volume, promoting regularity in the intestines and preventing constipation. Furthermore, dietary fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining colon health and can potentially lower the risk of developing colon cancer. Dates contain fibers that support the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the intestine. This can help improve the balance of the intestinal microbiota and promote digestive health. Dates provide soluble fiber, which is beneficial for the cardiovascular system. Not only does it enhance intestinal function, but it also has a positive impact on heart health. By reducing cholesterol absorption in the intestines, it helps lower LDL cholesterol levels. In addition, dates are packed with potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are vital minerals for maintaining a healthy heart. These minerals help to widen blood vessels, lower the risk of high blood pressure, and prevent cardiovascular diseases. Dates contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help decrease chronic inflammation in the body. This can contribute to the overall health of the heart and blood vessels. Dates are a great choice for supporting nervous system and brain health. They are packed with essential B vitamins like thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and pantothenic acid. These vitamins are crucial for energy metabolism and optimal brain function. These vitamins play a crucial role in the production of neurotransmitters and in keeping the nervous system healthy, which ultimately enhances cognitive function. Potassium plays a crucial role in transmitting nerve signals and facilitating muscle contraction, while magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters and nerve impulse transmission. Dates contain powerful antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids that play a crucial role in fighting oxidative stress in the brain and nervous system. This benefit is incredibly valuable, as stress has been linked to brain aging, cognitive decline, and the onset of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. Not only do dates offer numerous benefits, but they also have a positive impact on attention, concentration, and memory. This is due to their natural sugars, like glucose and fructose, which provide the brain with a quick source of energy. Pregnant women often experience constipation, which can be a challenge. However, incorporating dates into their diet can be a helpful solution. Dates are rich in fiber, making them an excellent choice for regulating intestinal function. As previously discussed, dates contain a variety of important nutrients. One standout nutrient is folic acid, which plays a vital role in pregnancy by reducing the risk of neural tube defects and promoting the healthy development of the baby's nervous system. Dates are naturally sweet, but their glycemic index is not high. Additionally, they contain fiber that aids in slowing down the absorption of sugar, preventing sudden spikes in blood glucose levels. This information is crucial for pregnant women, particularly those who experience gestational diabetes or have a higher risk of developing insulin resistance. It's worth mentioning that while dates provide numerous nutritional benefits during pregnancy, they are also calorie-dense and should be enjoyed in moderation as part of a well-rounded diet. It is important for pregnant women to seek guidance from their doctor or a health professional prior to making significant dietary modifications. It's important to note that consumption recommendations for dates can vary based on individual nutritional needs and health conditions. Let's explore some helpful guidelines for various age groups. Dates can be incorporated into a child's diet starting from the age of 1, when they start consuming solid foods. It's crucial to be aware that this food can be a choking hazard for young children under 6 years old because of its sticky consistency. To prevent any danger, make sure to cut it into small pieces or crush it. Adult supervision is recommended in certain situations. It's crucial to offer children dates in moderation to prevent excessive calorie intake and tooth decay, as dates contain a high amount of natural sugar. Typically, incorporating 2 units per day can have a positive impact on children's well-being. Here's a helpful tip. Consider using dates as a healthier alternative to sugary desserts for children. Dates are both nutritious and delicious, making them a simple and engaging option that can help avoid artificial and excessively sweet treats. For instance, it's easy to incorporate one after lunch and another after dinner. Healthy adults and older individuals can consume anywhere from 2 to 4 dates per day, depending on their personal preferences and caloric requirements. Understanding dates these snacks can be enjoyed between meals for a quick energy boost, or you can get creative and add them to salads, breakfast cereals, or pastry recipes to enhance the nutritional content of your meals. Just 3 units a day are enough to experience all the amazing benefits this fruit has to offer. It's crucial to keep in mind that incorporating dates into a well-rounded diet is key to obtaining all the necessary nutrients. If you have certain medical conditions or dietary restrictions, it's always a good idea to seek guidance from a healthcare professional regarding the consumption of dates and other foods. Now, let's address an important topic. Who should be particularly cautious when consuming dates? While dates have numerous health benefits, it's important to be mindful of certain situations where their consumption may not be advisable or should be limited. Let's take a look at some important factors to consider. For individuals with diabetes, it is important to be mindful of their consumption of dates due to their naturally high sugar content. While their glycemic index may not be high, consuming them excessively can still cause an increase in blood glucose levels. For individuals with digestive sensitivity, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other gastrointestinal conditions, consuming dates may lead to digestive discomfort. This is because dates contain fiber and sugar, which can be problematic for those with such conditions. It's worth noting that while rare, there are individuals who may have allergies to dates. Avoid consuming dates if you have a history of allergies to nuts or other foods. It's always a good idea to seek advice from a healthcare professional before incorporating dates into your diet, especially if you have any specific health concerns or pre-existing conditions. They are able to provide you with tailored advice that caters to your specific requirements. While some may grumble about the price of dates, considering the numerous health benefits they offer, it's safe to say that investing a bit more in this nutritious fruit is well worth it. Here's a delicious recipe featuring dates that can be used as a healthier alternative to regular sugar in your everyday cooking. All you'll need is a cup of pitted dates, about 200 g, and 300 ml of water. The amount may vary slightly depending on the level of consistency you desire. To start, begin by soaking the dates in warm water for approximately 30 minutes. This will help to soften them. Next, remove the excess water from the dates and transfer them to a food processor or blender. Blend the dates until they become a smooth and thick paste. To achieve the desired consistency, simply add water gradually, a tablespoon at a time, if the mixture is too thick or challenging to process. The water required may differ based on the moisture level of the dates. Keep processing the mixture until it becomes a smooth, even paste. Make sure to scrape the sides of the processor or blender as needed to ensure that all date pieces are thoroughly processed. Place the date paste in a sealed container and keep it in the fridge for later use. This ready-to-eat paste can be stored in the refrigerator for a minimum of 15 days. Our homemade date paste is perfect for adding a touch of natural sweetness to your favorite recipes. With its versatility, you can use it in a wide variety of dishes, replacing refined sugar for a healthier alternative. Additionally, it can be incorporated into a variety of foods such as juices, cereal bars, cakes, cookies, and more. Undoubtedly, today we are discussing a remarkable, nourishing, and adaptable food. If you enjoyed the content, make sure to subscribe to the channel for regular updates on valuable information. Help us spread important information about building strong health by sharing this video with your loved ones. Thank you for your kind attention.